And welcome back. So today we are going to see two fellowship opportunity which you have to apply immediately. The deadline is coming soon. Okay. So watch till the end to know more about it. And before we proceed, subscribe to my channel. This is Goms Tech Talks channel. You can find it here. So once if you have subscribed, you can see a lot of useful informations for researchers, for the students, free courses, certifications, internship opportunities, and much more here in this playlist, all about research and skill up. Okay, so let's directly go to the first internship opportunity, common fellowship portal. So this is what science and technology. You all might have heard about Ministry of Science and Technology. Okay, so here you can see that call for applications for research associateship. So this is what we are going to see here, and just learn about what is science and technology program is all about. This is for PhD and postdoctoral researchers. So let's go and check this. So where you have to find is what here is what the PDF. Okay, so I'll be giving the link in the description, so you can go and find the pin description here. This once if you have downloaded this, you can find this PDF. Okay, let us first understand this one by one. So applications are invited for Indian citizens for the award of DBT research associateship. So this is what if you are pursuing a research in biotechnology and life sciences. So if you are from a different background like engineering or computer science, stay with me. I'm going to show you another fellowship, so don't worry. Okay, so this is for the biotechnology and life science related thing. Okay, and aim of the fellowship is what, like the objective is to train and nurture young researchers, scientists, and generate critical mass of trained manpower in the modern area of biology and biotechnology. So this is the eligibility criteria. The applicants should hold a PhD degree in science, engineering, or MD/MS degree in any of medicine which research interest in biotechnology. The applicants who have already submitted the PhD thesis are also eligible to apply. If you have already completed, or if you have completed, or if you have already submitted, you are eligible to apply. Okay, so here you can see the upper age limit is 40 years for male candidate and 45 years for the female candidates. And the applicants who are employed at the full time of application, however, they have to relinquish their employment for accepting the fellowship as well. So what is the date? The tenure is what, 2 years. Okay, and you can extend up to 4 years. So when you have to the this particular fellowship started up submitting, like they have accepting the application right from 8th of July, and you have time till 7th of July. So you can learn everything about it. This is what the fellowship cannot be availed at the same institution where the candidates have earned their PhD, MS, or MD degree. So please read this general guidelines, which is very essential for you. Okay, and how you have to apply, they have given a complete information here. So please go through this before you submit. Okay, if you have any queries related to your academic research, your certification readiness, if you want to do your interview preparation, if you want to give up, if you want to conduct me mock interview sessions, I can definitely help you out. Just schedule a call here. I'm just leaving the link in the description. So let's see the next one. This is DST fellowship. So all might have heard about what is DST fellowship. So here you have a list of call for proposals. Okay, I'm also leaving this link here, so don't worry. So here you can see there is a call for proposal. So this proposal start date, this actually India EU joint call for proposal. It has started on they have started accepting the proposal from 1/5, that is July, and it's still there. It ends at 27/9, that is a September. You can see here 19/7, and you can see almost we have lot of deadlines, and particularly you can find that this two things, like 7. So this below that you can find four important call for proposals which is going to end by 31st of July. So you have to first hurry up for this. Okay, so just right click here so you can find more about it. Let me just go ahead with any one. So call for proposals under wise scope fellowship. So what is that? So what is this wise scope fellowship? This is what I have opened. Okay, so once if you click, they will be telling you about what is that. Okay, you can just read everything. So the challenges here, they'll be talking about health technology, health, energy, waste, water management, agriculture, everything. The women in science and engineering, so here aims to provide opportunity to women scientists who have completed PhD and want to utilize SNT knowledge. So who has completed PhD, okay? And here you can find energy, water, energy and engineering. So these are the thing and the dates they have mentioned, and you have to apply with this particular link. Likewise, you can also check like what are the other possibilities for those who are doing PhD. Okay, this is also you can find for those who are doing PhD here. India, you join call, just go ahead and click on all these options which are available, so you will understand exactly like what you have to apply, which one suits you better. Okay, so there are few fellowship which is open all over the throughout the year. If you wanted to know what are the fellowships which are open throughout the year, just give me the comment like open fellowship or available fellowships. I will be sharing that link with you. So as I told in my playlist here, so you can find view full playlist where you can find that what are all the what is a important thing you have to consider before submitting your proposal, and how to format your proposal, the template they are expecting, what you have to do while preparing your DST proposal. Everything I have already discussed here. So you can see here, this is Department of Science and Technology research report. I have given provided the sample research report here. Okay, and call for inspire proposal. So everything I'll be updating in this particular project, so in this particular playlist. So please keep watching this, so you will get an idea. What I can tell you is just go through all these links so that you will get an idea like what which suits you better and how you can apply for the future proposals, like a future expectations and the fellowship. It's good to just to keep an eye on this DST technology, that is Department of Science and Technology proposals, where they'll be updating every you can find it like they'll be updating here in the call for proposal. Okay, you can find what are the proposals, what are the call for proposals they have, and where you have to apply. So please go and watch this if you wanted to know about the students fellowship, or if you want to learn about the fellowship which is open throughout the year, specifically a fellowship for women. So anything if you want to learn, please give me a detailed comment here down. Like you want to know about, if you want to know about the women fellowship, just type women fellowship. Okay, throughout the year, which means that I'll be explaining you what are the fellowships which are there, which is open throughout the year. Likewise, I'll be sharing everything with you. Okay, so yes, that's all for today's video. So I'll be sharing more insightful and useful information to you. Just go and check my blog. Here you can find my blog, where if you want to join my blog, please join. I'll be sharing all the important details here. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon in the next exciting video.